Okay, good morning to everyone, children. Welcome to your Monday's first class. So, we are in block 3, block 4, that is dividing numbers. As you all are remembered, if you are kept in the mind, in the last class, we are discussed dividing the numbers without remainder. We have done the divisions, and in the divisions you are identified, maybe you have observed that in all the divisions you got remainder as a 0. That is division without a remainder. Now quite opposite to that children, today in the class we will do dividing with a remainder. Means there is no much difference in the last class and today's class. So, everyone, you must do yourself worksheet and the lessons which I will give you at the end of the class, because this lesson is same as the previous lesson number 3, what is going on now. This and lesson number 2, whatever you learned is division only. But the only difference is that in that division without remainder was there. Means you got the remainder as 0 in all the divisions. Here after division you are getting remainder as some number. So to explain this division with a remainder, I have taken some 2 examples, children, here. As I said you, when you want to divide with number like divided by 11, here divided by 24. So first prepare a table. Divide by 11 means 11's table is prepared. Divide by 24 means 24 table is prepared. This is the best way to do, because in your lesson numbers are given, big numbers are given. So all the tables we are not kept in the mind. Maximum 20, 25 tables we will keep it in the mind. So in your lessons and all, 27, 30, 35, 30 divided by 36, like that it is given. So better prepare a table. So based on the question, prepare a table. Then after preparing the table, start dividing like this. 4,567 divided by 11. Okay. Let us start with division. 4,567 divided by 11. So here 11 is divisor, 11 is a divisor, and 4,567 is dividend. Now we should find out the quotient, and automatically remainder will get. Okay, let us start, children. 45, where it comes in the table, look at here. 44, 55 will be more big number. So we'll take 44. How much? 11, 4 44, 11, 4 44. Subtract 45 minus 44. 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0. Take next number, that is 6. Now 16. You got 16. Check in the 11th table where you will get 16, children. I want to take this 22, but it is big. I cannot subtract. So before 15 is 11 only. What it is? 11 1s are 11. Subtract 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Takes next number, that is 7. Again check, children, in the 11th table, 57 till 57 or less than 57, where you will get 66. No, it is big. 55 I can take. So 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. So no numbers are there further. Children, I should stop here, no? No numbers are there further. I should stop here. So now, with the remainder, here you are getting a remainder. This is a remainder. And this is quotient. See, in the last class also, children, you have verified the answer, means you have checked your answer whether you got is correct or not. Here also, in the lesson and in the worksheet, ask, check your answers, verify your answers. Now let us verify with the formula. By heart that formula, children. So verify. How to verify? Divisor into quotient. Means when you multiply divisor in and quotient, add remainder. This is extra, children, this time. This part is extra. Add a reminder to get dividend. You will get dividend. So if you do this, you will get do this means what? Multiply divisor and quotient. You will get answer. To that answer, add 2 remainder. You will get 4567. Let us check. Divisor is how much? 11 into quotient is how much? 415 plus remainder is how much? 2. If I do all this, I should get what? Dividend. I should get this answer. This answer I should get. Let us simplify and check whether we will get this or not. Multiply 415 into 11. So this answer is, multiplication answer is 4565 plus 2. 4565 we got, add 2 remainder in this. So you will get 4506. This you keep it as it is. So 4567 and I got here, children. So both sides you got same answer, means you are correct. Hence verified. You are correct. So let us see one more example, children, here, so that things will, whatever I am explaining, if somebody is not understood properly, they will come to know what I am explaining. So 27,217 divided by 24. So this is divisor, children. 24 is divisor. This is dividend. This is dividend. So whatever I will get here is quotient and remainder. So I should use 24 as a table. First leftmost digit I said no, 2. With 2 z is not at all possible. Take 27. Check where it is possible. 48 if I take it is big. So 24 only I should select. So 24 ones are 24. Subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 left. Take next digit. That is 2. Now 32. Again check in the 24th table where you will get 32, 48. Again it is a big here. So 24 only we have to take one more time. So subtract 12. Take borrow 1, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now borrow is taken, it is 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. So take next number 1. 81. See 81 where it is possible. 96, no, it will be big. So 72 we can take. How much are? 24 3s are 72. 24 3s are 72. Subtract, children. 11 minus 2 is 9. So 1 borrow is taken. This is 7 minus 7 is 0. So next you take last digit, that is 7. Now 97. Where will you get 97? 120, it is too big. Before that 96, yes, I can take this 96. 12 4s are 96. Sorry, 24 4s are 96. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So I got this as a quotient and this is as a remainder. we can verify our answer, children. We can verify the answer. Let us verify. How to verify? Children, don't forget this formula. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you do all these, what you will get? Dividend. You will get dividend. If you do all these, you will get dividend. So substitute values. Divisor how much? 24 is there, no? Divisor 24 into quotient how much? 1134 plus how much remainder I got just now? 1. So if I do all these, dividend I should get, children. If I do all these, I should get this and this as an answer. I should get, then only I am correct, otherwise I am wrong. So let us multiply these two. What and what? 1134 into 24. These two multiplication I should do, no? Multiply. 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13, carry 1, 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5, 4 1 is 4. With 4s I have multiplied. Now multiply with 2s. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Add all these to get product. So product is 27,216. In this product I should add 1, correct? Because 1 is remainder. I should add 1 in this. So you will get 27,217. So this answer will be 27,216. If you add 1, you will get 27,000. You will get 27,217. Both sides you will get 27,217 you will get both sides. So if you get same answer both sides, then only you can say that verified. So hence verified. So in the last class some of you are done mistake in the verification. When I said you to multiply divisor and quotient, some of you are divided here. In the verification you are not allowed to divide. So who are done the mistake, please rectify and correct it. In the last class, in the verification, what you should do is multiply divisor and quotient. So you will get a dividend because their remainder was not there. So here one extra we got is remainder. So divisor and quotient we should multiply and add remainder to get dividend. You can check your answer whether you are correct or not by this. Understood, children? Okay. Now after explaining these two, I hope you understood with a reminder how to verify the answer in division. Okay. So same type of questions you will get in the worksheet and in the lesson practice questions. So please follow these steps. Watch this video again and again if you are not understood. Link will be there anyhow. Just click on the link. Again it will start from the beginning. Video will start from the beginning. So please watch the video completely. So listen to the explanation completely. Then you can start doing yourself. Understood? Thank you.